the number from a which a number subtracted is called a minuend. Okay, this number is a this number is a minuend. Okay, then the number that is subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer you will get, that is called difference. Okay, or you can say big number is minuend, small number is subtrahend, and the answer is called difference. Okay, in simple language. Now see, I will solve this. See here, 9. See, this is 74 minus 59. Okay, so first we will take this one thing. Okay, once 4 minus 9. How can you minus 9 from 4? You can't minus 9 from 4, no? Because 9 is greater than 4, right? So we will take one borrow from 7. Okay, we will take one borrow from 7. So if we are taking 1 from here, so it will become 6. Okay, and when we take borrow, so it will become 14. Okay, now can you subtract 9 from 14? Of course you can. So now 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Okay, so 5 you will write here. Okay, now here you will minus, or you will subtract 5 tenths from 6 ones. Okay, so you will get 1/10, right? So the difference between 74 and 59 is 15. Now see question number 3. Question number 3. See, word problems you have done in previous class also, right? So this is also the same. It is the word problem of subtraction. So how will you solve this? Look, Rinki has 96 toffees. ठीक है, Rinki has how many toffees? Rinki has 96 toffees. Okay, she distributed 38 of them among her friends. How many toffees she is left with? रिंकी के पास कितनी टॉफीज है? रिंकी हैज़ 96 टॉफीज. 96 टॉफी रिंकी के पास है. ठीक है, शी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड मतलब बांट देना, मतलब आपने उसको दे दी है. ठीक है, आपने उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. कितनी टॉफीज? 38 टॉफीज. ठीक है, अपने फ्रेंड्स में आपने 38 टॉफीज को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया है. ठीक है, बांट दिया है. सो हाउ मैनी टॉफीज शी इज़ लेफ्ट विथ? तो अब उसके पास टोटल कितनी टॉफीज बची हैं? सो सी, ए रिंकी with, okay, see, number of, first we'll take this number of toffees Rinki has is equal to 96. Okay, then she distributed 38 of them, so number of toffees she distributed is equal to 38. Okay, so when you will subtract this number from this number, you will get the left toffees, right? So number of toffees left with her left with her is equal to, for subtraction you have to use this sign. Okay, like plus na, in addition you will use this sign in subtraction. So can you minus 8 from 6? No, because 8 is greater than 6, right? This you will not write here, huh? This is I am just explaining you. ठीक है, see, so you can't minus 8 from 6 na. So what you will do, you will take one borrow from 9. Okay, if you will take one borrow from 9, so it will become 8 here, right? It will become 8, and when you are taking 1 from this, so this 6 will become 16, because you are taking 110 na. So 110 plus 6 becomes 16, right? So 16 minus 8, what will you get? 16 minus 8 is 8, right? And then 8 minus 3 is, when you will subtract this 3 from 8, you will get 5. Okay, so how many toffees is left with her? She has 58 toffees now. Okay.